Baik teman-teman semuanya, pada akhirnya Syekh Assim al-hakeem telah hadir di hadapan kita semua. Ingat, tidak ada yang telah saya himbau tadi, tidak ada yang memberikan tepuk tangan juga. And welcome to Darul Quran Syekh Assim al-hakeem. Please welcome to the stage. Okay, once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sheikh. Welcome to Darul Quran. And allow me please to introduce myself. My name is 𝐊𝐬𝐤, as you can call me 𝐊𝐬𝐤, as the master of the ceremony here. And as we know that most of our audience are speaking Bahasa, and maybe some of them don't speak in English. So
this is our student coming from America. MashaAllah. From what city? Georgia. Yeah, better. Okay.
Oke, baiklah buat para hadirin semuanya, tenang, tidak perlu khawatir karena insya Allah setiap pembicaraan beliau akan saya terjemahkan langsung. Baiklah, langsung saja kita dengarkan tausiah beliau. Please welcome Syekh Assim al-hakeem. The time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وأصلي وأسلم على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن اهتدى بهديه واستنى بسنته إلى يوم الدين أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Quran and Sunnah encourage Muslims to learn knowledge. What is the first ayah that was revealed to Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam?
Answer.
What was it?
What the
First ayah. Iqra. Allah Azza wa Jal says, recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clinging substance. This knowledge is not will you translate?
No.
Okay. This knowledge is not attributed to our strength. It is not attributed to our wealth. It is attributed to Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah says in the Quran, وَاللَّهُ أَخْرَجَكُم مِّن بُطُونِ أُمَّهَاتِكُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ شَيْئًا. And Allah has brought you out from the wombs of your mothers while you know nothing, and He gave you hearing, sight, and hearts that you might to ask Him to increase in health, in wealth, in children. No. The only thing that in the Quran Allah orders the Prophet to ask for more is knowledge. وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا, and say, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. And the scholars, the people of knowledge, have a great status with Allah. Allah says in the Quran, say, are those who know equal to those who do not? And this knowledge is divided into two types: Shar'i and non-Shar'i. The Shar'i knowledge is what is praised in the Quran and in the Sunnah. such as the study of the Quran, the study of the tafsir, the study of the hadith, the study of the commentary of the hadith, the study of fiqh, the study of usulul fiqh. These are shar'i sciences that would purify your heart if you learn it for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. The second type of knowledge is halal knowledge. Knowledge that is beneficial. Knowledge that is of worldly nature, such as medicine, such as engineering, such as chemistry, physics, biology. All of these are good sciences if you have good intention. However, there are sciences that are haram, such as, example, give me example. Haram knowledge, haram science, such as what? Science that is haram. I give you example. Magic. It's a science, but this is haram. You learn magic, you go to Jahannam. What other science? Also knowledge of the stars, astrology. I know your future. Tomorrow you will do this, you will do that. This is kufr. Anyone saying that I know what will happen in the future, this is called what? Kufr. This is science, but it is haram science. Likewise, acting. You go to college and you become an actor. This is haram. What are you doing? Or learning music. MashaAllah, Indonesia has talent. Haram. You go on the stage and sing and dance and A'udhu Billah. Prophet Muhammad alayhi sallam see you? Come, go. You're not good. Not. This is not from Islam. And likewise, now, if you fear Allah Azza wa Jal and you have knowledge, then you are the best of Allah's servants. Allah says, إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاء. Only those fear Allah from among His servants who have knowledge. And the best of knowledge, the best of science, what is it? Who knows? You're students of knowledge. I want one best science, the best of knowledge. What is it? Quran? No. Better. Tawheed. Yani what type of Tawheed? The best knowledge in the whole universe is the knowledge of Allah. If you know who Allah is, His beautiful names, His beautiful attributes, if you know Allah, you love Allah. When you don't know Allah, you say Allahu Akbar, Sami'a Allahu liman hamidah, and you don't have any benefit from your prayer. You play around and pray with your friend because you don't know Allah. But when you know what is al-Qahhar, when you know what is al-Latif, when you know what is al-Muqit, when you know what is al-Muhaymin, beautiful names of Allah, you know it, you practice it, you understand it, then you have the best of knowledge in the whole world. I will not take much of your time because this is not beneficial in English a lot, but inshallah if you have any questions we will be happy to answer it.